Hello everyone. Let's talk about the two-finger splint brace from Health and Yoga. This finger splint is ideal for taking care of fractured fingers, sprained knuckles, sore tendons, and for post-operative care. It works on the concept of buddy taping, where the damaged finger is taped together with an adjacent healthy finger, which acts as a support. As you can see, it's used here to tape together the first two fingers, the index finger and the middle finger. It can be worn on both hands. The same splint can be used to give support to any two adjacent fingers, the middle and the ring finger, also the last two fingers. You simply have to adjust the strap as per the injury's requirement. It completely immobilizes the fingers, helping in faster recovery and prevents further injury due to movement.